Welcome back, everyone. In our previous session, we've discussed the damaging effects of workplace bullying on both individuals and the larger organizational culture. Today, we're going to flip that conversation to the positive. Instead of focusing on what goes wrong, we will focus on what makes workplace go right: respect. A respectful workplace doesn't just happen by accident. It requires intentional efforts from everyone involved. Respect is foundational to a healthy work environment where people feel valued, safe, and motivated to contribute. Today, we will explore how we can actively build and maintain respect in the workplace. By the end of today's lecture, you should be able to understand what defines a respectful workplace, learn strategies for fostering respect across different levels of an organization, recognize the role of leadership in setting the tone for respect. At its core, a respectful workplace is one where people are treated with dignity, fairness, and kindness. It's a place where differences are valued rather than used as reasons to exclude or belittle someone. A respectful workplace encourages open communication, collaboration, and a positive work environment where everyone feels they can contribute without fear of being judged or mistreated. Respect is not just about being polite or refraining from negative behavior. It's about creating an environment where all individuals feel safe to be themselves, share their ideas, and perform their roles without unnecessary obstacles or fear of retaliation. Respect should be ingrained in every part of the workplace culture, from how meetings are run to how conflicts are handled. Respect in the workplace isn't just a nice-to-have element. It's a critical factor for an organization's success. When employees feel respected, morale improves and people are more likely to engage fully in their work. Collaboration thrives because individuals are more willing to share their ideas and feedback when they know they will be heard. Retention rate rises because employees are more likely to stay in a workplace where they feel valued. Without respect, trust erodes quickly, and people start to withdraw, as we discussed in earlier lectures. But when respect is prioritized, the workplace can become a space of genuine cooperation and mutual support. Building a respectful workplace involves three key areas: communication, behavior, and leadership. Respect begins with how we communicate with each other. Clear, open communication encourages people to express their ideas without fear of judgment. This also means being open to feedback and learning from others' perspectives. One strategy to foster communication is by active listening. When someone speaks, truly listen to what they're saying instead of just waiting for your turn to respond. This helps employees feel heard and valued. Respectful behavior goes beyond saying please and thank you. It means acknowledging each person's contribution and treating everyone, regardless of their role, with the same level of dignity. Simple actions like sharing credit for work or showing appreciation helps build a culture of respect. It's also important to recognize when disrespect occurs, even in subtle ways. For example, interrupting someone constantly in meetings, dismissing ideas without consideration, or making sarcastic comments about colleagues' contributions can all erode respect over time. While everyone in an organization plays a role in creating respect, leadership has a unique responsibility. Leaders set the tone for what is acceptable and accepted in the workplace. When leaders model respectful behavior, it has a ripple effect throughout the organization. This includes how leaders give feedback, handle conflicts, and ensure that all voices are heard regardless of someone's title or position. Leaders must also hold themselves and others accountable for maintaining respect. When respectful behavior occurs, it's crucial that leaders address it immediately, so it doesn't become ingrained in the workplace culture. Let's talk about a story that shows the power of respect in action. A mid-sized marketing firm was struggling with low morale and high turnover. The office atmosphere felt competitive and employees often complained about being interrupted during meetings or having their ideas dismissed. The company hired a new manager, Sarah, who decided to focus on one thing: respect. Sarah implemented new meeting protocols that gave everyone a chance to speak, uninterrupted. She encouraged open feedback and began publicly recognizing employees for their contributions. Slowly but surely, things started to change. People became more engaged, collaboration improved, and turnover decreased dramatically. The moral of the story? Small actions like actively listening, recognizing contributions, and giving everyone a voice can completely transform a workplace. Respect is contagious. Think of a respectful workplace like a garden. If you plant seeds of respect by listening, acknowledging, and valuing others, you will grow a healthy, vibrant garden where everyone thrives. But if you neglect these seeds, the garden becomes overrun with weeds, misunderstandings, negativity, and disengagement. Just like a garden, respect needs to be tended to regularly to keep it healthy. Write a reflection paper on a time when you witnessed either respect or disrespect in the workplace. How did it impact the environment and the people involved? What could have been done to foster more respect in the situation? I would love to hear your thoughts on what you think makes a workplace respectful. Are there any specific behaviors you have seen that contribute to or take away from respect in the office? Feel free to share your experiences or ask questions during our next session or drop me a message anytime. That wraps up today's lecture on building a respectful workplace. In our next session, we will talk about the early signs of bullying and how to recognize when disrespect is turning into something more harmful. Thanks for your attention today, and I look forward to our next discussion.